Unlocking the meaning of maintenance request. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and essential phrase that you might encounter in various situations: maintenance request. Whether you're living in an apartment, working in an office, or just want to enhance your English vocabulary, understanding this term is incredibly useful. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday life. A maintenance request is a formal or informal notification sent to the responsible party, such as a landlord, building management, or a maintenance team, asking for repairs, servicing, or any form of maintenance work to be done. This request can be for anything that needs fixing or attention to ensure the proper functioning and condition of a place or an item. Maintenance requests can be made in various contexts, including but not limited to residential settings, such as in apartments or houses, where you might need repairs for plumbing issues, electrical problems, or appliance malfunctions. Workplaces, where maintenance of equipment, facilities, or buildings is required to ensure a safe and efficient working environment. Public spaces, like parks or community centers, where maintenance is needed for general upkeep or to address safety concerns. Making a maintenance request usually involves the following steps. 1. Identify the issue. Clearly understand what needs maintenance or repair. 2. Contact the responsible party. This could be through an official form, an email, a phone call, or an online system, depending on the context. 3. Describe the problem. Provide a detailed description of the issue, including when it started and any other relevant information. 4. Follow up. Keep track of your request and follow up if necessary to ensure that the maintenance work is completed. To ensure your maintenance request is addressed promptly and efficiently, consider these tips. Be clear and concise. Provide all the necessary details without unnecessary information. Include evidence. Photos or videos can help illustrate the problem and expedite the maintenance process. Be polite and patient. Remember that a courteous approach can often lead to a quicker and more positive response. Understanding and effectively using the phrase, maintenance request, can significantly improve how you navigate living, working, or participating in community spaces. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into making maintenance requests in English-speaking contexts. Remember, clear communication is key to getting the assistance you need. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.